Alright, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to aerial twist and full twist. This was requested by Anya PK. She's struggling with them, and I made a video for it, so let's do it. So a prerequisite would be a Webster. Make sure your Webster is so good that you land and absolutely clap your balls. I'm obviously kidding. Don't do that. Don't be like me in pain right here. And make sure you get a backflip. This is mostly just for air awareness. It's not really required, though. So before we start this, try this drill here to understand how twisting works. A good twist will come from the hips and shoulders at the same time. Make sure you jump first before you start twisting. An open shape will twist very slow, while if you start open and then close with your core engaged, you'll spin way faster. This is going to be very important later on. What you're going to do, if you're a left side twister, you're going to jump off your left and kick with your right. You're going to do a little bit of a dip on your Webster. So you're going to set real hard and then twist with your shoulders and hips, and just make sure your core is engaged when you do this. If you do this right, you should land on your side, and it's a really good progression tool. Now, if you do the same thing earlier and add more power, you should be able to get to your feet. Now, you really want to emphasize that set, so really exaggerate it and really engage that core to make sure you spin as fast as possible. So if you see here, like I exaggerated it, make sure to get to my feet. Now obviously your progression won't look like this, like I'm doing here. I'm just kind of really showing what the set and exaggeration looks like. You'll go to your side at first and then land on your knees and then to your feet. So hopefully this clip helps. I would also advise trying this from maybe a step up, as it's a lot easier to get the land. For full twisting, I'd recommend learning this puck position here. I think this is honestly the most efficient way to flip and twist at the same time when you're starting, and it'll keep you safe as well to make sure that you actually flip. So what you're gonna do at the start is you're gonna throw it to the side, spot, and then tuck. This will ensure that you're getting the right spin rotation. And basically, you're just going to follow the progressions I do here. And make sure when you throw your arms, you try to go a little bit more straight up each and every time, to where eventually you're just kind of doing the skill. Hope this helps. Go touch grass. That's it. And don't just touch the grass. I want you to really put your full hand into the grass and make sure you really shrug it across with the entire palm. Make sure you get a handful of it. Alright, have a good day.